Hello, this is Kurt from the Model Railroad Collector Wiki. In today's tutorial we're going to have a little fun with images. And specifically today we're going to have a look at the collection photo galleries that are automatically created. Now these galleries are created based on the photos that are in the wiki that a number of people have uploaded, contributors have uploaded, and currently the last count there was about 18,000 images in the photo galleries. And let me show you what we can do with collections. Okay, so let's look in this example. I'm using the collections of one of the wiki users, and this is a very good example to choose from. When you click My Collections, you get a list of the collections that you have registered and the number of items and such, the price, the cost, the value, all that type of information. I've hidden the costs and values here to protect our contributor. But when you select a collection, for example, if I select a collection here, you'll see that the menu bar changes to reflect the number of the types of options you have when an option is when a collection is selected or unselected. If no collection is selected, all you can do is just create a new collection or choose to see other columns here with the column visibility. But if you select a collection, then you get a number of different options here that are specific to that one collection. And one of these options is called Photo Gallery, and this is what we're going to look at here today. So if I select a collection and then click on Photo Gallery, what's going to happen is we're going to automatically generate a list, actually a pretty colorful list of all of the items in that collection. And this collection is a good example because the collector has set up this collection to specifically include beer cars, which he collects, and you can see there are quite a different number of them. But in this case, the photo gallery provides a visual representation of all of the items in the collection. Pretty slick. Now, one of the features of the collection here is the eras selector here. They're actually errors filters, and the error or epoch are divided into 6 different periods, and default they show them all. So to show or hide an era, you click on this tile here. You can see it's checked here, meaning it's visible, but if I click it here, it turns off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off all of these eras here. Okay, and we get nothing. So in this collection, let's see what we have in era 3. If we collect this, then we automatically filter a visible list of all of the items in this collection that are just from era 3. Okay? What if we want to see what's in eras 1 and 2? So we'll turn off era 3, turn on era 1, and turn on era 2, and we have a list of just the items in era 1 and era 2. Kind of slick, so you can see exactly from what period the items in your collection are located. So I'm going to turn this on and show you one more little trick here. I'm going to turn them all back on. The question mark here are items in your collection that have not been identified by a specific era. It could be that it was unknown when they were registered, probably. But anyway, another little cool feature here is how many of you have ever played flip cards? This is a game we used to play, and so what you can do here is you can try to guess what model number and railway company your items belong to. So let's find one here. Let's take this yellow beer car here. Does anyone know what model number it is? Well, you can try to guess, and if you click on it, it flips over and it gives you the model number and the manufacturer as well as the railway company. So in this case, you can try to remember what it is, so that and then you click it again and it flips back over. So you can do that for all of the items here in order to learn what the model numbers are. Kind of a memory type game, but kind of fun. Yeah, so this is the photo gallery option that's available in all of the collections, and hope you enjoy it. Thanks a lot.